The next topic is moments and kurtoses. Let us first discuss about moments. Moments is actually a mechanical term which is used in physics. So in physics, the moments means a measure of a force with reference to its tendency to produce rotation. So if we talk about statistics, moments is used in statistics means where the class frequencies are the forces and the deviations of various items from the mean, that is the point of origin, as is taken as distances. So here moment means the mean of first, second, third, fourth or till n powers of deviations taken from actual or assumed mean. It means when we take the deviations from actual mean or the assumed mean and then the mean is taken from of these powers. Let us see these moments practically how we can solve it. So moments can be calculated by two ways. So first type of moments can be central moments and second type of moments can be raw moments. So whatever will be asked in the questions, accordingly you have to solve central moment and raw moment. Now central moment means we can call it moments from actual mean. When the deviations are taken from actual mean and we calculate the moments, it is known as central moments. And raw moments means when the moments are taken from assumed mean. We can call it assumed mean or arbitrary mean, anything. So two types of moments will be there in your questions, either central moments or raw moments. Central moments means the moments when the deviations are taken from actual mean, and raw moments means the moments when deviations are taken from assumed mean. So let us first discuss the central moments. The calculation of the central moment will be done like this. So you will have different moments may be asked from in the question. So let us take first that if it has been asked that you have to calculate the first moment. First moment about mean. Why we are writing about mean? Because it is a central moment, so deviations will be taken from mean. So it will be written in the short form as mu1. The formula in case of individual series for calculating the first moment is very simple. Sigma x minus x mean divided by n. Or we can write sigma d divided by n, where d stands for x minus x mean. Second is the case when you have been given discrete or continuous series. In that case, the same formula will be applied, only the formula will be multiplied by f into x minus x mean. So we can say the formula is fd divided by n, and it will be same in case of discrete as well as continuous series. Second comes if in the question you have been given that you have to calculate the second moment about mean. The second moment about mean will be denoted as mu2. Formula will be as it is. The only difference is we will square out the formula because it is the second moment. So we can say that it is d square divided by n. And here it will be f x minus x mean square divided by n. So x minus x means square divided by n, and we can say that it will be fd square divided by n. Now if in the question you have been told to calculate the third moment about mean. So third moment about mean will be denoted with mu3, and the formula will be exactly like how we have already done, x mean cube, because it is the third moment divided by n. So here we can write that it will be sigma d cube upon n, and here if the series is discrete and continuous series, f into x minus x mean cube divided by n, and sigma f d cube divided by n. Now if you have been told to calculate the fourth moment, the fourth moment's calculation will also be like as we have done. It will be denoted with mu4, and formula will be sigma x minus x mean power 4 divided by n, and in short form we can write sigma d's power 4 upon n. If it is the case of continuous and discrete series, then formula will be sigma f x minus x means power 4 upon n, and sigma f d's power 4 divided by n. Now let us see practical example how we calculate the central moments. Now this is the practical question of moments when individual series have been given. Here you can see only x has been given and the values are 1, 3, 7, 9, 10. So first of all, for calculating the central moments we require actual mean. So actual mean in case of individual series can be calculated with the formula sigma x divided by n. So here if we will add these values, sigma x, it comes out to be 30. So the mean is 30, 5 observations are there, the mean comes out to be 6. So for the purpose of calculating the moments we require first x minus x mean. The first moment will be calculated with the help of x minus x mean. So here 1 minus mean is 6, that comes out to be minus 5. 3 minus 6 minus 3, 7 minus 6 will be 1, 9 minus 6 is 3 and 10 minus 6 is 4. Now adding this we will get sigma x minus x mean. So sigma x minus x mean, we can see it comes out to be 0. Next we will calculate x minus x means square, because for the second moment we will require x minus x means square. So it will be squaring this column 25, 9, 1, 9 and 16. It will give us sigma x minus x means square. So when we will add this, it will be 60. Next we require x minus x means cube, because for the third moment we will be requiring the cube. Now we will cube this column out. So answer will be minus 25, minus 27, minus 125, sorry, minus 27, positive 1, then is 27, next will be 64. Sigma x minus x mean cube, it comes out to be minus 60. Then we will require x minus x means power 4. We will be multiplying this column 4 times and you will get 625, 81, 1, again 81 and 256. So sigma x minus x means power 4 will be 1044. Now let us calculate the moments. Central moments we are calculating, because in the question we have been asked to calculate the central moments. So our first central moment we have seen, this is the first moment about mean, and the formula is sigma d divided by n. So sigma d means x minus x mean, that is 0, divided by n will be 0. So you will always observe that first central moment will always be 0. Second central moment formula is sigma d square divided by n, and that means sigma x minus x mean square divided by n. It will be 60 divided by observations are 5. So second moment's answer will be 12. Talking about the third moment, it will be formula is sigma d cube divided by n, that is x minus x cube divided by n. It is minus 60 divided by 5. So answer is minus 12. And the fourth moment, that is mu 4, it is sigma d's power 4 upon n, that is x minus x means 4, 1044 divided by 5, and you will get 208.8. So this is how the central moments will be calculated. And if it is the case of continuous or discrete series, so the only difference will be, instead of x minus x mean, we will multiply it with f as well. Like this will be multiplied by f, this column, everywhere it will be multiplied by f, and in the formula here we will replace f also. So similarly we can calculate for discrete and continuous series also.